Today we are here with William Nozak, founder and CEO of Nozak Consulting and Search Hustle. Explain to the people what SEO is,
Okay.
how you can utilize it as a social media marketer,
Okay.
and what you do on a daily basis to help people win in business.
All right. Search engine optimization, SEO, is being visible where people are looking. So search engine optimization. Facebook has its own search engine. Instagram has its own search engine. If it has a search box, that is a search engine. None of them are going to be as fleshed out as Google's search engine. That is why it is the 10,000-pound gorilla. Facebook's got a great search engine. Amazon has its own great search engine. When I say SEO, where are people looking for your products and services? That is a search engine if they can search. And that is where we want to find out what are the rules, what are the basics, what are others doing, how can we do it better? How can we track what we've done? Because we're not going to do it right every time. You're going to do a lot of things wrong. And then you're going to see you lose traction. And then you look back at your documentation and say, this is how we used to have it, switch it back, let's try something new. It's testing. It's the scientific method, hypothesis making, hypothesis breaking. It's part art and part science. It's if it was just a script, then everyone would copy it, and then that's just not how things work. Blue ocean to red ocean, green ocean, blue, red ocean. However, people learn it, things change. People learn it, things change. The next thing I would say is Google is like the most important thing for the most part. Amazon might be as well. If you're just selling Christmas cards that you make in your house, Instagram or Pinterest or Etsy might be for you. Those would be your search engines. Trying to scale those ideas wouldn't make any sense, just improving in those search engines. What I have to ask you is, if Facebook or Instagram or one of these social medias is the main platform that you're getting followers through, I would then have to ask you, how does that social media present in Google? So I would go and do a bunch of queries in Google and pop that social media platform any way possible and see how Google is presenting it in its index. Where? Which of the verticals, all the way from information, maps, photos, videos, where in those verticals or in the main aggregated search engine is it? How is it presented? What information is presenting? Go look at those that are winning for queries and see what they're doing. Your social media of choice may not even present well in Google, and it may kind of be off the table today. Certainly these search engine, these social medias want to be in the Google SERPs. Like your Twitter feed bleeds through, YouTube bleeds through. There's a ton of them that do. Facebook business profiles will show up in Google SERPs. You have to have a business profile on Facebook. LinkedIn. The question is, we've got that huge search engine on LinkedIn. We've got all those groups with all kinds of ways that you can search and find information. My question for you is, for search engine optimization and the overarching strategy, how is it presented in Google? Do we need to check that off the box? Don't need to worry about it. Then we just have to learn the rules of that social media platform.
Oh yeah, that's good. That's good.